Hare Krishna. I'll be reading about the festival of Diwali, which is the festival of joy and happiness. Let us see how Diwali is celebrated. Diwali is one of the most important festivals celebrated in India. This festival usually falls sometimes in October or November. It is the festival of lights. Diwali is also known as Deepavali. Deep means lamp and Avali means rose. So, Deepavali means rose of lamps. It is a festival full of joy and happiness. Do you know why Diwali is celebrated? Let us go to Ayodhya to find out. About 9 lakh years ago, Ayodhya was ruled by a king Dashrath. Dashrath was a great king and a virtuous ruler. He had 4 sons. Lord Ram was the eldest son and was the beloved of all. He was an ideal son, husband, and ruler. So the king decided to hand over this throne to him and retire. Contrary to her husband's decision, Lord Rama's stepmother, Kaikeyi, wanted her own son, Bharat, to be the king and forced Dashrath to send Ram to the forest for 14 years. Ram gladly accepted the stepmother's wishes and left the palace and kingdom with his wife Sita and brother Lakshman. The grief-stricken Dashrath soon died in separation from his beloved son. When Bharat, who was on a visit to his maternal grandfather, returned to Ayodhya and learned about what had happened, he immediately set out to bring back Ram. Ram was glad to welcome his brother Bharat, but he refused to go back to the kingdom before the completion of 14 years. Bharat returned alone, sadly, to Ayodhya. However, as a devoted brother of Ram, he refused to be the king in Rama's absence and instead ruled Ayodhya on behalf of Lord Ram. In the forest, the demon King Ravan kidnapped Mother Sita and took her away to his kingdom in Sri Lanka. Lord Ram began his search for Mother Sita with the help of the monkey army headed by Hanuman and Sugriv. When Lord Ram with his monkey army reached Lanka, a great battle took place for a period of 10 days. Finally, Ram killed Ravan by piercing his chest with a celestial arrow, won the war, and brought back Mother Sita. Lord Ram and Mother Sita then returned back to Ayodhya. The entire kingdom celebrated the return of the victorious and virtuous Ram, Sita, and Lakshman. The capital city, Ayodhya, was decorated with flowers and lamps. Ram was crowned as the king of Ayodhya. Ram ruled Ayodhya for many years. He was a great saintly king. More than lakhs of years later, still, Ram is remembered and worshipped in India. His return to Ayodhya with Sita is celebrated as the festival of Deepavali. On this festive occasion, all people clean their homes and decorate them nicely. All over the country, lamps are lit and homes, shops, offices, streets are decorated and fireworks set off in honor of Lord Ram. Much the same way as was done in Ayodhya lakhs of years ago. Thank you. Hare Krishna.